How to bypass FRP on a factory reset phone. After many attempts of frustration and installing apps and computer files, after trying to add fastboot flash unlock the home, I stumbled upon a way to get your phone to unlock. What you need: a male-to-male USB-C cable, a working device with Google credentials, and your locked phone. Steps: get your locked phone on a Wi-Fi network. Back to the start screen. Plug both phones together. Then when prompted, send files from the working Google phone to the locked one, mainly the settings and the documents. If you need to send all the apps, it will take a long time. After the files have transferred, go to the login part on the locked phone and enter the email credentials of the unlocked phone. Then press forgot password. After you verify, skip the update password and create a new account. You should be in at that point. Then do system updates and enjoy. Thanks, and subscribe for more working bypasses.